waliwo enjawulo y'okukozesa this is a man, oli n'akozesa this is the man. Waliwo enjawulo y'ebyo ebintu ebyo. Enjawulo eriwa gyetugenda okulaba leero. What is the difference between using this is the and this is a man? Bagamba, when you talking about one thing in the English language, or what you call specifier oba ejogeza. For example, ku apple, tugenda gamba to referencing to one apple. How are you going to say it? If you are talking about one apple, ogenda gamba otya? Apple emu, ogenda gamba otya? Ani apple or ogenda gamba a apple? What are you going to use? Send in your answers in the comment section before we proceed. You want to talk about one apple. One apple. What are you going to say? We're talking about one apple. What are you going to say? Ogenda gambo chango apple. Anyone to send me the answers in the comment section? One apple. How are you going to reply when you say one apple? Eno apple. Bagamba oyogera ku kintu kimu mu Luzungu okiwa kibayita ekyatuza oba identifier. That's why we're talking about one thing. Ogenda gamba a boy, a girl. Okay? Okozesa a and an. So whenever you're talking about one thing in the English context, you give it what you call a specifier. For example, a ball, a girl. So we're going to apple, we're going to gamba an apple. Let me first share the screen such that we proceed. We're going to gamba an apple. Okay? We're talking about one apple. You are going to say this is what? This is an apple. Okay, hope you can see the screen. And please send me the messages such that I know that we are interacting. Okay, when you say you want to reference to one apple, I've told you you are going to say this is an apple. Okay, is an apple. This is an apple. Are we clear? Good. This is an apple. So, oba oyogera ku kintu kimu ng'oli specific, ogenda kozesa the. What do I mean by this? A minute, please. So I'm going to say this is an apple. Okay. Good. So this is an apple. So oba oyogera ku kintu kimu ogenda kiwa kye bayita ennyukuta ejatuza oba ennyukuta enjogeza. Are we together? Let's share this. So ogenda gamba, we're going to say this is an apple. So for example, when you say this is a car. This is a car. This is a car. In a motor car, you don't have any knowledge about it. Okay? So, whenever you're talking about one item, an identified item. A item, you don't have clear view about that item. So, there we use it on specific things. There is used to uniquely, there we use it to uniquely identify an object or an item. Okay? An object or an item. For example, when I say this is a man, this is a man. Let me first put this in red color such that it uniquely identifies out itself. This is a man. This is the sentence I'm talking about. This is a man. When you say this is a man, you're talking about a man. But any man can be talked about when you say this is a man. Omusajja gw'oyogerako, oyogera ku musajja gw'otalinako kumanya. Omusajja yenna gwe bakuleetera ng'ogenda naye kubanga ogambye this is a. You have not uniquely identified that object. Tugambye they will use it to uniquely identify an what? An object. For instance, in that example I've given you, when you say the man, when you say the man, it means you have some knowledge about what you're talking about. Are we clear? A minute, please. Once again, Nandi, tukozesa eno the, we use this one to uniquely identify ng'okinako knowledge. You have some knowledge about it. Ogenda kukozesa the. For example, when you say this is a man, this is a man, kitegeeza nti ono omusajja tomuyinaako kumanya, omusajja yenna ajja gwoyogerako, this is ono omusajja. But when you say this is the man, a minute, when I come here and I say is the, wano nkozesezza the are, but I've used the kubanga ono musajja mumanyiiko, either musajjawo oba musajja wa kikaaki oba omusajja omuyinako okumanya. That's why you use the. So the uniquely identifies an object. It uniquely identifies an object. Identifying ekintu kyoyogerako nti no kirinako okumanya. You have some knowledge about it. Are we together? So when you say I need the pen, when you say I need the pen, are we together? When you say I need the pen, I need the pen, kitegeeza nti eno pen either you have some knowledge about it. When you say I need the pen, you say I need the pen. So when you say I need the, since wano nkozesezza the, wano identifying ekintu ng'okimanyiiko, you have some knowledge about it. So we're going to say I need the pen. The pen. Kubanga eno pen either yo oba oginako okumanya, you know about it. But when you say I need a pen, I need a pen, I need a pen, kitegeeza pen yonna eyinza okuweebwa either nice clear oba big oba cheap. Any kind of pen can be given out to you because you're not specific. Okay, so eno the, it uniquely identifies ensonga y'ekintu n'ekijjayo nti you have some knowledge about it. Whereas when you use are, kitegeeza you are not specific. Okay, ekintu kyogerako the item toyinaako knowledge about it, so you just need anything can be given out to you. So that is the difference okozesa are ne the. Are we together? Okay, if we are together, you can send in your answers in the comment section. Manye nti you are following me. Nanje eno the tugikozesa ngo identifying ekintu. It uniquely identifies something. Are we clear? The tugikozesa when you are uniquely identifying something. For example, I need the knife. Ndineetaaga akambe kange kali, which means kali akambe koyogerako okamanyikira ngenda kubuuza which knife, kambe ki, kubanga ogambye I need the knife. Naye wogamba I need a knife, kitegeeza akambe konna kasobola okuweebwa kubanga toyawudde, you are not specific. The thing you're talking about, you are not specific. When you say I need a knife, neetaaga akambe, akambe konna kayinza okuweebwa either akasala amatooke, akasala omugaati oba akasala ekintu kyonna. But when you are specific and you say I need the knife, era agenda kubuuza which knife. Okay, wabaawo obwambe bungi ngenda kubuuza which knife, either ng'okamanyi mu color, I need the green knife, I need the red knife, or I need the blunt knife. Are we together? So when you use the, it means that you are specific on something you are talking about. Ogamba the kintu kyoyogerako. Okay? Naye bw'okozesa article oba an apple oba an orange, kitegeeza toli specific, you're not specific on what you are talking about. Is that okay? Okay, let's formulate other examples. Another example. If I say, that is a girl. That is a girl. Kitegeeza oyo muwala. Muwala. That is a girl. Kitegeeza oyo muwala. Oyo muwala. That is a girl. Oyo muwala. But when you say that is the girl, there is a difference. When you say that is the girl, and someone else says, when you say oyo, when you say that is the girl, kitegeeza oyo ye muwala. Ye muwala. Oyo ye muwala. Oyo ye muwala. Kitegeeza nti omuyinako okumanya either oyo omuwala yakubba oba oyo omuwala muganda wo oba oyo omuwala omuyinako okumanya. You have some knowledge about that girl. You are specific. When you say that is the girl, oyo omuwala oba omuyinako okumanya. Okay? Ogamba that is a girl, kitegeeza